Hello, back to Jurassic Art and Customs, and I have right here the remote control Tyrannosaurus Rex from the Lost World. Now, this big girl is about 12 to 14 inches tall. She's pretty big. I think she's even taller than the Thrasher and the Bull. I do not have the big red Rex from Jurassic Park 1, so I don't know how to compare that for you folks. Instead of giving her Buttercup's paint scheme, which is what I refer to as the female Rex from the Lost World, I gave her the Rexy color scheme, or tried to. Don't really dig it. Might probably redo her. But that is her. Electronically, everything still works. Her roar, she bites. A bit lethargic after 20 years. Fortunately, it no longer walks because me, like a forceful son of a bitch, tried to shove her on the bottom shelf and one of the legs snapped. But one of them still works. Oh look, she can two-step. Well, isn't that just darling? So, we got the Dancing Rex. Hey, thanks for watching. I am almost done with the Lost World line. I'm kind of tired of doing the Lost World, and I'm ready to get on to the Hasbro stuff, because it's fun to bash. So, yeah. My page is on Facebook, Jurassic Art and Customs. Sorry about the echo, I'm in my crapper. But yeah, check it out. Mwah.